Hi there, today I'm going to be showing you around our 57 plate 2007 Honda CR-V. What I'll do is I'll take you around the bodywork, I'll take you inside and point out any features on the way. Starting with the front left, going down the front left pillar, round to the front left wing, across the front bumper, across the bonnet, and across the windscreen. Now moving down the right hand side, wheels are in lovely condition with good tread on the tyres. Front right column, down the right hand side now. Back right wheel, back right tyre, out to the back right, with your rear parking sensors there. Going into the boot, you've got this two-section boot. This does come out, so you do get all of this height. It's quite nice if you wanted to keep your luggage separate. And you've also got your floor mats in there as well. Moving down the left-hand side, again good tread on the tyres and wheels are in lovely condition. And this left-hand side is in lovely condition as well. Taking you inside. Straight away we've got the black, full black leather interior. Just turn the volume down. All in really nice condition, no rips or tears that we've seen. Got your lumbar support and your electronic seats, and you've got your electric windows and mirrors there. So we've got lovely low mileage, 57,728 miles. Automatic lights, automatic windscreen wipers, volume controls and radio controls on the steering wheel, all working well. Over here you've got your cruise control settings. Down here you've got your menu and your telephone settings. Coming over to the main infotainment system, you have your FM radio, two FM options, a low wave AM, mid wave AM, CD and SD card, all working well. By supporting. Over here you've got your map. So you've got your sat nav there, all working well as well. Down here you have your dual zone climate control, automatic gear shifter with a leather handle, same with the parking brake. Front heated seats, left and right with 3 settings. High, low and off. You've got your cup holders there, cubby hole here with a little top section for coins, and you've got your 12-volt port and an auxiliary input there. Down here, if you can see, you have some more storage, and you've also got space for a cigarette lighter and another 12-volt port. In reverse you've got your reversing camera there as well. Some extra storage, and you've got your glove box as well. And you've got these lovely cubby holes down there. Stick stuff in and you'll never find them again, but it tends to be what happens with me anyway. That pretty much sums the car up. If you're interested in the vehicle, please feel free to give us a call on 07917 033 781. This car comes with a 1-year warranty, 1 year's MOT and 1 year's AA breakdown cover. And if you'd like to find out more information about us, our stock, us as a company, read our reviews, they can be found on our website, paylessforacar.com. Hope you're well. My name's Sal and I hope to speak to you soon. Take care, bye bye.